Okay, basically, I have holes that I drilled an inch apart. Kind of widen them out a little bit. I'm going to put about 12 windings here, and I got this little plastic slugs that I guess are useful for furniture. So I put those in here, and that's going to guide the tubing around here. So we got holes drilled a ½ inch apart, and we got the furniture little plastic slugs in here. That should keep the copper tubing from touching each other, and it seems like it's going to be stronger and easier to do than the 3D printed base that I tried earlier. So it looks like this is going to be a good idea. It's really easy to wind now with all these. See, I can just kind of get them nice and tight here. Hope I have enough with this 10-foot piece, but I think I should. Wow, this is so much easier. It's not too bad. Look at that. Keeps it nice and equal spacing apart. That's great. This is going to work out nicely. Okay, here we have an adjustable spark gap. I have a couple of brass fittings on the end of some bolts that I can adjust the nuts to spread apart the gap or make it closer together. And to have it insulated from the wood, I have some PVC, I don't know what they are, but I found them at Ace, and they have a couple of convenient spots to put screws in here, and then I have a little metal brackets that the whole thing is mounted to. And this will go to my ignition coil here. And I will have to have some kind of capacitor bank in here. But over here we have a circuit, which is a 555 timer. It's a 555 timer circuit. You can find it online here, and I'll have it on my website. But it has a IRF 6. What is it? IRF 640, I believe. 100K potentiometer. 2 4005 diodes. A 555 timer, a couple of 1N 4148 diodes, and a bunch of resistors here. In the spot here, I have an adjustable. Well, I have a capacitor that I can adjust the frequency with just by putting a new one in there. So this works really, really good. I had it on earlier, but then it stopped my 3D printing because of all the high voltage going through the electrical system here. So I can't turn it on until I'm done with my 3D printer. Okay, so we got a spark here. Let me adjust the frequency here. Slowing it down. Speed it up. Now that's the max at this capacitor. Now if I swap out that capacitor, I can get a lot faster. So I don't. Okay, I finally built the base for this Tesla coil. There it is. Well, it's definitely a working Tesla coil. It doesn't have the range I was expecting, but running off a car battery and an ignition coil. Very low capacity. Probably not good ground. Probably not the proper ratio between the primary and secondary. But it's pretty cool. It's working.